something that will help you maximize your hard-earned coins. Let's get into it. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rukaniba and I share skincare content. I am all about self-care, spirit, soul, and body. If that's something that you're interested in, I'll encourage you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of my weekly uploads. Today's topic is something that I hear a lot. Another client complained about it a few days ago. This is very common when I start working with new people. But after I've worked with a lady for a while, they get used to it and they now understand how they ought to use your products. I have this client. She's been a client of mine for almost 4 years now. She is a lady who loves to take good care of herself. She invests in her skincare. So she ordered a certain skincare item from me. She has a whole system that she uses. So one of them, she ordered a month later after she had already ordered it. And it's quite an expensive item because my goal is to make sure that women don't just buy from me. I want to make sure you're maximizing your resources as well. I don't just want to shove products down your throat. It should be helping you achieve your skincare goals. So I reach out to her and I'm like, why are you ordering another one? You should still have the one you ordered previously. And then she told me she was out. And I now reconnected that to a scenario that she had presented to me a few months prior. She called me and was complaining about her foundation primer peeling off. And if your primer is peeling off, there is a high probability that you've applied too much lotion or whatever product you have before applying your primer. So I had to connect those two scenarios together and I realized that she was using more than she had to. Which brings me to our focus for today. Less is more. You don't need too much of your skincare products for you to see results. Especially the product I recommend, your skincare sets. If you're using the Miracle Set or the Repair System, they should last you at least 3 months if you're using it morning and night. There are a few items that can run out, but still your product should last you that long. I just had a client call me a few days ago complaining about her moisturizer that she ordered a month ago. She was saying it's out. I'm like, no. Are you using it just on your face or on the rest of your body? And I'm using that example to just educate you and maybe any other person who might be running out of their product sooner than they thought, that you might be using too much. I have a graphic that I share with my clients in my private groups. If it's something that you would like to take a look at, let me know and I'll share it with you. It shows you the quantities that you should use. You don't need too much. A little bit goes a long way. Take something like retinol. If you use more than a pea size of retinol, it will rather lead to an adverse effect on your skin, and you don't want that. So it's very important that you do not overuse your product. Less is more. I just felt I should share that because someone might benefit from it. As much as you want to take care of your skin, you should also use your finances wisely. I hope this is valuable. And if you find this valuable, share it with another lady who can benefit from the information. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, I will appreciate it if you can subscribe, share the video. If you have other questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you currently are not having a good skincare system, let me know and I can schedule a free 15-minute session with you and help you customize something. And as always, take care of your skin and stay radiant.